In the realm of industrial automation, efficiency and precision are no longer optional, they're essential. Imagine a factory where robotic arms seamlessly assemble products, minimizing errors and maximizing output. This isn't just a dream, it's the reality driven by cutting-edge technologies like IoT and artificial intelligence. Companies like Siemens and ABB are leading the charge, providing tailored solutions that transform traditional manufacturing into smart operations. The benefits are clear: enhanced efficiency, significant cost savings, and improved worker safety. With real-time data monitoring and predictive analytics, businesses can optimize performance and prevent downtime. Embracing industrial automation isn't just about keeping up, it's about thriving in a competitive landscape.